This is how to make the cutest, fluffiest butterfly buns, which are filled with a buttercream frosting. You can also fill them with jam, and these buns are perfect for parties. Make sure you use room temperature ingredients for this recipe. It just helps your batter cook evenly. Start by creaming butter and sugar together until it's fluffy and pale in colour. Then add vanilla extract, baking powder and your eggs one at a time, whisking in between each addition. To prevent your cake batter splitting when you add your eggs, add a little of your self-raising flour along with your eggs, which will help keep your batter smooth. When your mix is well beaten and very light and airy, fold through the rest of your self-raising flour, mix until everything is just combined. You don't want to over-mix and knock out too much of the air in your batter. Then prepare your bun cases. If you don't have any, just make sure your baking tray is very well greased. Add enough mixture to half fill your bun cases and bake at 180°C for 15 to 20 minutes. You can check if they're cooked by inserting a knife or skewer into your bun. There shouldn't be any wet batter left clinging to it. Allow your buns to cool before cutting a round deep slice into the tops of your buns and cut the slices in half. These will form the butterfly wings. For your buttercream frosting, cream together butter, icing sugar and more vanilla extract and pipe plenty of that frosting into your buns. Gently press the butterfly wings on the top of the icing and finish with a light dusting of icing sugar, and that's all there is to it. Making these delicious fluffy buttercream filled buns is really easy and they really do look cute. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and click that notification bell for more. Thanks for watching.